Hello friends, today I want to highlight the crucial importance of maintaining smooth attendance tracking in your business operations. Power outage can disrupt not only your workflow but also the integrity of the data. This is where our mini UPS for biometric time attendance machines come in. Imagine a scenario where a sudden power cut occurs. Our mini UPS ensures uninterrupted attendance tracking, allowing employees to clock in and clock out without a hitch. It acts as a safeguard against the data corruption, preventing valuable attendance information and minimize the risk of loss. By reducing downtime, we maintain our workflow efficiency and protect our bottom line. Investing in a mini UPS is not only a cost-effective solution but also provide peace of mind. Knowing your attendance system is secure with 12-volt power capacity and runtime available, this compact device fits seamlessly into your operations, ensuring that we never miss a beat. Let's embrace the opportunity to enhance our business resilience.